Adam is 22 years old. He recently moved to England for work. He got a job in a big company in London. He was happy, but everything was new for him. Adam came from a small town. His country was different from England. The weather was different. The food was different. The people spoke English very fast and sometimes he did not understand them. Adam knew that living in a new country was not easy. He needed to learn new things. He needed to take care of himself. And he needed to open a bank account. Adam's company told him, "You need a bank account to receive your salary." He asked, "Can you give me cash?" The manager said, "No, we only pay by bank transfer." Adam did not have a bank account in England. He had one in his home country, but he could not use it here. He needed a new one. He asked his friend, "How can I open a bank account in England?" His friend Omar had lived in England for 3 years. Omar said, "It is easy. First, you choose a bank. Then, you go to the bank with your documents. They ask you some questions. After that, they open your account." Adam felt a little nervous. He had never opened a bank account before, but he was ready to try. The next day, Adam searched for banks near his home. There were many banks: Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds, and more. He did not know which one to choose. He called Omar again. "Which bank is good?" he asked. Omar said, "All banks are good, but you can choose one close to your home or your work. It will be easier for you." Adam checked on his phone. There was a Lloyds bank near his apartment. He decided to go there. Before going to the bank, Adam checked the bank's website. He read about the documents he needed. The website said passport or ID to prove who you are, proof of address, a letter or bill with your home address, job contract to show you have a job. Adam collected everything. He put them in a folder. He was ready. The next morning, Adam went to Lloyd's Bank. The bank was big. People were waiting in line. He took a deep breath and entered. A woman at the counter smiled and said, "Hello, how can I help you?" Adam said, "I want to open a bank account." She asked, "Do you have an appointment?" Adam was confused. "Appointment?" he asked. The woman said, "Yes, you need an appointment to open an account. But don't worry, I can help you book one." She checked the computer and said, "Can you come tomorrow at 10 a.m.? Adam said, "Yes, thank you." She gave him a small paper with the time and date. The next day, Adam went to the bank at 10 a.m. He met a man named Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson was a bank officer. "Good morning, Adam," Mr. Johnson said. "Please sit down." Adam sat in the chair. He was a little nervous, but Mr. Johnson was kind. "Can I see your documents?" Mr. Johnson asked. Adam gave him the passport, proof of address and job contract. Mr. Johnson checked them. "Everything looks good," he said. "Now I will ask you some questions." Mr. Johnson asked, "Why do you want to open a bank account?" Adam said, "For my job. My company will send my salary to the bank." Mr. Johnson nodded. "Do you want a savings account or a current account?" Adam did not know the difference. He asked, "What is the difference?" Mr. Johnson explained, "A savings account is for saving money. You do not use it often. A current account is for daily use. You can take money out any time." Adam said, "I want a current account." Mr. Johnson smiled. "Good choice." Then he asked, "Do you want online banking?" Adam asked, "What is online banking?" Mr. Johnson said, "Online banking lets you check your money on your phone or computer. You can send money, pay bills, and see your balance." Adam said, "Yes, I want online banking." Mr. Johnson finished the process. "Your account is ready," he said. "Here is your account number and sort code. Your bank card will come in the mail in 5 days." Adam was happy. "Thank you," Mr. Johnson said. "You will also get a PIN number. This is a secret code for your card. Do not tell anyone." Adam nodded. He understood. After 5 days, Adam got his bank card. He went to the ATM to test it. He put the card in the machine and entered his PIN. The screen showed his balance, £0, 0 pence. Of course, he had no money in the account yet. The next day, his company sent his salary. He checked his balance again. Now it showed £1,500. Adam smiled. He had done it. He had opened a bank account and now he could use it. Adam felt more confident. He had learned many things in England. He could take the bus, buy food, and now he had a bank account. He called Omar. "I opened my account," he said. Omar laughed. "Well done, my friend." Adam smiled. He was not just a visitor in England now. He was starting his new life.